Today I'm going to show you exactly how to stop files from uploading to OneDrive on Windows. Whether you want to save space, protect your privacy, or simply take control over what's stored in the cloud, by the end of this tutorial you'll know how to prevent your important folders from automatically syncing, and how to pause uploads whenever you need a quick break from OneDrive activity. Let's dive right in. So Windows 11 and Windows 10 are pretty eager to help you back up your files, and by default, they may be uploading your desktop, documents, pictures, and other key folders straight to your OneDrive account. This is great for some folks, but if you're here, you probably want a little more say in what gets uploaded and when. First, let's focus on stopping folder backup, which is the best long-term way to control this. Down in your system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see a little cloud icon. That's your OneDrive. Go ahead and click that. If you don't see it right away, you might need to hit the up arrow to reveal hidden icons. Now when the OneDrive window pops up, look for the small gear icon. This is your settings. Give that a click. Settings can seem a bit packed, but don't worry. On the left-hand menu, find and select Sync and Backup. This is really the brain of what goes to your cloud and what stays local. In Sync and Backup, you'll see a Manage Backup option. Click there, here, where Microsoft lists your key folders like Documents, Pictures, Desktop, and shows which ones are currently set to back up to OneDrive. You'll see switches next to each folder. If there's a folder you'd rather keep just on your computer and not floating in the cloud, for example, maybe you've got some work-in-progress documents or personal pictures, simply toggle that switch off. It's like telling OneDrive, hey, no need to upload this stuff. Take your time deciding, think about what you want saved online and what you prefer to keep offline. Once you've made your choices, click Save Changes. OneDrive might need a moment to process your update, so don't worry if it takes a few seconds for things to settle. But what if you only want to pause uploads for a little while? Maybe you're on a metered internet connection trying to save some bandwidth, or your laptop's battery is running low and you'd rather delay syncing. You can easily pause OneDrive temporarily, no need to change your backup settings every time. Right-click on that OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar again. In the menu that pops up, there's an option called Pause Syncing. Click that, and you'll get to choose how long you want OneDrive to take a break, 2, 8, or 24 hours. This is super useful if you're downloading a big game or streaming video and don't want OneDrive slowing things down. And don't worry, your files aren't going anywhere. They'll simply wait until you're ready. If you finish up early and want syncing to resume, just click the paused icon and tap Resume Syncing. It's really that simple. And there you go. With these steps, you have full control over what files OneDrive backs up and when it syncs. No more unwanted uploads and no more mystery files in the cloud. If this was helpful, hit that like button to let me know. If you have any questions or ran into a snag, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials so you're always a step ahead with your tech. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.